Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you some quick and effective workouts to burn that stubborn belly fat. These exercises are perfect for beginners and you can do them right at home. So let's get started. First up, we have the classic crunch. Lie down on your back, bend your knees, and place your hands behind your head. Now, lift your shoulders off the ground, squeezing those abs as you come up. Remember to keep your neck relaxed and not to pull on it. Do this for 15 reps. It's a great way to target those upper abs. Next, let's move on to the Russian twist. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight, and hold your hands together in front of your chest. Now, twist your torso to the right, then to the left. That's 1 rep. Do 20 reps to really feel that burn in your obliques. Now let's spice things up with the plank. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Planks are amazing for overall core strength. Fourth, we have the bicycle crunch. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and bend your knees at 90 degrees. Place your hands behind your head. Now, bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Switch sides and repeat. Do 15 reps on each side. This one's fantastic for those lower abs and getting that twist action. Lastly, let's finish with the mountain climber. Get into a high plank position. Now, bring your right knee towards your chest, then switch and bring your left knee towards your chest. Keep alternating quickly like you're running in place. Do this for 30 seconds. This exercise is great for getting your heart rate up and burning those calories. And there you have it. 5 simple yet effective exercises to help you burn belly fat and strengthen your core. Remember, consistency is key. Try to do these workouts 3 to 4 times a week and combine them with a healthy diet for the best results. Stay motivated and keep pushing yourself. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more workout tips and routines. See you next time.